Tired of wasting time on background removal? Let me show you AI-RT image matching, the fastest and the easiest way to get flawless results every time. This tool uses advanced AI to precisely remove backgrounds in just seconds. Even on tricky details like hair or transparent object, it is as simple as upload, click, done. For graphic designers, a good background remover isn't just useful, it's essential. Clean backgrounds mean better designs, quicker turnarounds, and more time to focus on creativity. Unlike other tools, AI-RT offers unmatched accuracy and easy-to-use interface, making it the smart choice for graphic designers everywhere. And here's some exciting news. AI-RT is running a limited time giveaway where you can get the license key of AI-RT image matching for free. Don't miss out, check the description for how to join. Let me show you amazing features of AI-RT image matching. Here is the interface. On the right side, you will find the settings. Start by selecting your graphic processor or CPU under hardware. It offers 4 AI models for different tasks. In the edit menu, you will see AI enhancer to enhance your image. And there are tools like AI detection, manual area selection, and refinement for additional adjustments. Now let's upload an image. For images like this, select Alpha Standard V2. Enable smooth processing and click Start. After processing, it works like magic to remove the background from an image with messy hair. The result is amazing, the background is perfectly removed even around the hair. Now you can edit your image as well. There is the background effect where you can change the color of the background. And also you can add your own image to the background. Look how perfectly it blends with the background. And there is an option to add blur effect to your image as well. You can also choose different types of blur and their intensity. And there you go. Now let's upload another image to try another AI model. Look at this image. Do you think any other background removal tool can remove the background from this image? Definitely not, right? Now let's select Alpha as V2. Turn on smooth processing and click to start. And wow, this is mind-blowing. How can this AI tool even detect what's background and what's the object in this image, especially when they are completely blending together? Let's try to remove the background of this image in Photoshop. Select any selection tool, then click to select subject. Now create a layer mask and see. This is not even close to what AI-RT image matching does. I'm gonna try this AI model on another image. Adding a background to this image. This looks so real. Perfectly blending with the background. Whatever you saw till now was just a climax. Now let me show you the real movie. I have this image. Let's select Edge Clear V2 and then let's click Restart. You see how perfectly it removes the background from the furniture? And look at the plant. This AI tool removes its background like magic. Now I have a low resolution picture. Go to the edit menu. In the AI Enhance, select Real Photo V3 AI model. Set the upscale to 2x and click Enhance Image. And that's it. This AI tool isn't just great for background removal, it's amazing at enhancing pictures too. Plus, it's free for now. Finally, if you want to export the image, first go to the export settings, select Format, Label, and then Output Path. Now hit Single Export. And there you have it. There is no quality compromise like other background removing tools. And the best thing is you can also export your images in batches. If you have too many images and you don't have time to do it one by one, simply select all the images and click to batch export. And there you have all the images exported. This amazing tool is completely free now. Go grab the license before it expires. Link is in the description below. This is really one of the best AI tool I have ever used for removing background. Unlike other AI tools, this one actually gives you accurate results. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.